She really isn't.
Come and get your silly thing.
I think we should rub bird juice all over that plastic owl until she tries to eat it. Squeeze a
She
bird.
bloody would. She thinks there's a bird up there.
My dad's gonna go out and he's gonna go that, and it's never gonna happen again.
Oh, but it is going to go on YouTube.
And if Daddy goes to the back door, the pussycat will come to get you.
There's a bird up there.
I
can see the bird.
Daddy, I see you, Daddy. Oh.
There's a bird up there. I'm sure there's a bird up there.
If she had a voice, that's what she would talk like.
There's a bird up there.
You see, you've all got it wrong. She's watching that airplane.
Yeah, she thinks that's a bird.
Wilbur, that would be known as a load of bollocks.
Daddy.
Yes, come here, Cass. The one time I'm recording her on camera, she doesn't actually do it. That's crap.
Nope. She's rubbish.
Here she comes.
Walking down the street, she got the wobbly belly. She's got furry feet.
Just like that bear on Wednesday, Robin Hood and picks the belly up and starts rushing. Go on, Casper.
Oh, Daddy, look.
Oh.
Look, I did that side down, I didn't catch nothing because I'm crap. And I've got wet bits all over Kirkle's uniform. Don't do that to me. And that wasn't interesting stuff. It was boring.
She's only got down and all that.
Not quite as special as 3 eagles trying to get your cat. Cuckle. That's nice. Fuck off.